Hi everyone, we're going to wrap up today with our second annual Smart Mobility Awards ceremony, and I'm joined by the whole EcoMotion team. So these are the people who made today happen. Assaf, Oren, our partnerships manager. And yes, they really deserve a round of applause. And Adi Greenberger, who is our ecosystem manager, and myself. So us three are your EcoMotion team. And together, we want to announce the winners of the SMAs. Last year, we launched this for the first time to give honor and focus on great startups in our ecosystem, and we said, let's do it again. Let's honor and call out and shout out the companies that are working extremely hard day in and day out. And I'm really proud to say that we had a lot of submissions this year, which means that only one winner in the end. But because there were many great submissions, we want to announce the finalists and give an honor to just honor your hard work and that we really value your work in on the day-to-day. Okay, so each one of us are going to announce a different category. And we will announce the finalists first and then call up a winner. And if you are the winner, we invite you to come to the stage and we have a trophy. Okay, so Adi, I invite you to do the first award, which is for CEO of the Year.
All right. So in this category, we have 3 finalists. So the first one is the company of Enigmatos. The CEO is Neta Lampert. Enigmatos does Israeli Cyber Conference for Connected Fleets highlights Need for Cyber. And within 2023, our CEO, Mr. Neta Lampert, managed to reorganize and improve dedicated team of cyber professionals and bring our fleet cybersecurity solution to the next level. We developed the next generation of the product offering and started to enter European market, first EU pilots, and we are coming soon. So this is the first nominate. The second one are Core Actions, which are AI-based software that dedicated abnormalities in the cognitive states of drivers and passengers. And Core Actions, they raised $7.25 million to prevent vehicle accidents through AI-based, and it is published in Calculist. Okay. And the last one, the third company, is Kapow. Kapow's Power in Motion solution eliminates charging, downtime, modern materials, handling. And the winner is Core Actions. Their CEO.
I don't know if Ilan, is Ilan in the crowd here?
No, he's in Amsterdam at the moment.
Is there somebody else from Corrections?
No, but he told me that he's gonna pick up his...
So we will hold it for him, but I want to give maybe just an honor of why he was selected. Not only did Corrections raise $725 million in their Series A for an oversubscribed round, but under his guidance, Corrections has secured, like I said, an oversubscribed Series A round to develop AI technology that monitors brain activity to prevent vehicle accidents. Under Ilan's leadership, he has seen the company through difficult times, not only times securing funding, but also strengthening partnerships with automakers. Under his influence, the startup is leading regulatory change, with Corrections recently submitting a comment on NHTSA's Advanced Impaired Driving Prevention Technology, and PRM, which is a significant step towards implementing impairment detection regulations in the US. So thank you for the nominations, and thank you to Corrections. The next is for Best Collaboration of the Year, or Partnership. We have 3 finalists in this category, each one recognized for a very significant achievement and step forward in their development. So the first one is Valens, which is a provider of leading semiconductor products. And this year they partnered with Sony. The second finalist is C2A, Cybersecurity Solutions for EV Platforms. And this year they announced a partnership with Daimler. And the third is Give Solutions, a new startup to the community doing smart management solutions, and for their collaboration with Israel's Ayalon Highways. And this year we selected C2A, as the winner for their collaboration with Daimler. Kol hakavod on this. This has been a really big year for C2A. Come on on stage. Yep. A huge year for C2A, and it started last summer with winning, I remember, the EU Startup Prize, and many more achievements throughout the way. So, thank you. And that's still kol hakavod to all of the partnerships and collaborations this year.
And the final category, Most Promising Early Stage Company of the Year. So we have 3 finalists. The first one is Tupaya, a new paradigm in GNSS GPS positioning services, simply precise. The second finalist is Transformer, a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle concept that dramatically improves flight performances. And our third finalist, Leadwave giving machines a new eyesight with 4D LiDAR sensors at scale. And the winner is Tupaya. So we just want to mention that Tupaya closed a strategic investment with AT&T, and for that they have won the prize.
So again, a big thank you, and shout out to all our finalists, to Tupaya, congratulations, to Transformer, to Lightwave, to Valens, to C2A, to Enigmatos, to Kapow. This is a real recognition of your hard work over the past year, and we will be promoting you all and your hard work. With that, we wrap up the main stage for EcoMotion Assembly 2024. This was quite the day. I hope your feet are as tired as mine from running up and down the different floors and seeing everything that EcoMotion community and ecosystem has to offer. We are now kicking off, actually it's already started, outside is the happy hour sponsored by BMW, celebrating their 5 years of the Israel Tech Office. So thank you so much to everyone who's been a part of today, making it possible, making it happen, to those turning in online. This is really lo muvan me'elav. It is not obvious that we made it and created this day, but all of you showing up is what contributed to make it possible. So thank you so much. And thank you to our nominees, our finalists, and to the winners. We hope to see you next year, and may we continue to go from strength to strength for the EcoMotion community.